the closest to its customers, is not only words, it is only our main concern since our inception. Here, in our quality management laboratory, we conduct all tests on the final product to ensure the delivered quality. Elongation and strength testing device. Here, the strength of expansion and elongation of the covers is measured and tested, to ensure the strength and flexibility necessary to cover the required area and to withstand the different severe climatic conditions of wind, sun and dust. Tear testing device. When the consumer deals with Al-Quds for plastics, surely she can find the advantages of any of our products before buying them through their well-tested special specifications. Al-Quds film is characterized by its resistance to tear even with the maximum tensile strength and while it is attached to the metal structure. Here, the tests are carried out to the highest standards to ensure the plastic cover's ability to resist any kind of rupture. Impact measuring device. Because of the factors of the climate in the agricultural areas as stormy winds loaded with solid objects, heavy rains and sometimes snow, we had to make sure that the resistance of the covers to the fall of the solid objects and measure the impact of this fall on the plastic film. Thickness measuring device. Undoubtedly, we guarantee our buyers to receive a high-quality product with exceptional specifications. Therefore, we have to make sure that the plastic cover has one symmetric thickness so that the customer does not bear poor product performance as a consequence of the receiving less thickness, and also does not bear the consequences of increasing the thickness to give a larger weight to the product, and cost the end user more money. Here we remeasure the homogeneity and consistency of the film thickness along the length of the roll, and this is after being measured before during the production process. Lifetime counter device. Day and night temperature variation, and other climate conditions exposure such as rain, wind and dust, as well as exposure to chemicals, affect the performance of plastic sheets over the period of their use. Despite the above challenges, we provide a lifetime guarantee, for that we create a simulation of the different climatic conditions that plastic sheets are subjected to during the period of use, and always we make sure that it will keep unchangeable during the warranty period. Thermometer. The reduction of temperature variation between the night and day in the greenhouse is one of the main reasons for obtaining homogeneous fruits in growth, color and size alongside the early production and increase in productivity of the crop as a result of reducing the stress on the plant due to variations in day and night temperature. Therefore, we have provided the latest equipment and devices that work with infrared to measure both heat index and UV content in the plastic films. UV-Vis device. We believe that all crops need protection for as long as possible, so the company processes its products with an ultraviolet UV stabilizer system that we designed using a special mix of additives that we have developed over the past 3 decades. These unique additives protect our products from UV light degradation or high temperatures, to give an increase in productivity of the crop, and increase the number of fruits on one plant, and increase the rate of the fruit weight, and a regular form of the fruits. Here, the wavelengths of ultraviolet that pass through the greenhouses are measured with the possibility of controlling their percentage using the appropriate additives depending on the type of plant, and its geographical location. Haze device. The amount of the penetrating light to the fruit, its level and how it is spread under the agricultural greenhouse has the greatest impact on the strength and hardness of the crops and their durability. As well as it plays an important role in the process of root system development and in achieving homogeneity of crops and increasing productivity. Here, the optical properties of the film, the amount of light and the rate of its diffusion are measured, as well as the measurement of the transparency and opacity of the plastic cover. Our recommendations to meet the needs of your agricultural crop were based on scientific and field experiments and new studies of scientific researches and development of many agricultural crops, in cooperation with our partners in the Agricultural Research Centre of Lancaster University in England, to improve the quality of our products in line with your agricultural crop.